Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have an extreme cleaning. This is in my 3 and 4-year-old daughter's bedroom. My 8-year-old, however, will be helping me throughout this video. So if you like cleaning motivation, or if you want to feel better about your house, then go ahead and keep watching this video. So to start off, I'm just sitting in this huge pile of clothes and toys and clothes hangers and everything else, and I'm just trying to somewhat organize it. The reason that this bedroom is in such a disaster is about a month ago, we actually switched bedrooms, and there was a room that used to be a playroom, and now my 8-year-old daughter is in that room and no longer in this room. If that's confusing, I'm sorry. So basically, this came from a room switch. That's why there's no clothes up at the top of the closet. I don't know if you can see that or not. And yeah, and I've just left it there. My kids went away for camp shortly after that, and we've had a lot of things going on. So stay tuned and keep watching for a video on a life update, because there's some really exciting news. And I am going to just let the music play. I use Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner and my Dyson V8 vacuum. If you have any questions about anything I am using or doing in the video, then definitely leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up if it gave you some cleaning motivation or if it made you feel good about your own house.
Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, 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 hey, yeah, oh. enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I grew up and I'm bitter, 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were.
So here is a little before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a life update. So definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
It looks amazing! I love it!
Good. You think you can keep it like this for a while?
Sure. Okay, my closet like that.
How about you open up your closet and look inside?
Okay. This is so amazing! My house
welcome, baby.
And it's comfy bed.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
Good. All right, so I got all your video games in this bucket over here, okay?
Really?
And all your controllers too.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. And you got some books right here in this bucket. Okay?
Thank you. My Pinkie Bank.
Mm-hmm.
Now I can pay.
Now you can pay? Okay.
But I love my table.
Good.
I love it.
All right, we'll keep it like this, okay?
Okay,
You've got toys up in that greenish box up there, okay?
okay. I'm going to my closet.
All right, try to push them at the same time. Don't pinch your fingers.
Is that enough?
Yep, good job.